Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTreat. Today my video topic is 10 urgent AI takeaway for leaders. Okay, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel and subscribe to my YouTube channel TechTreat and press on the bell icon for every new video on my YouTube channel. Let's start this video. Despite 2 years of broad managerial attention and extension experimentation, we are not seeing the large scale generation AI powered business transformation that many people entirely envisioned. Okay, draw this statement and by MIT SMR author Malaysia websiter and George Westerman reflect your experience. No wonder after a wide 2 year ride of the hype, disruption, and experiments for many leaders, you and your colleges may still be waiting for the big business payoff of you may not have redesigned the critical process, cut time to market, or radically improved customer satisfaction quickly yet. Okay, was Waterman a senior lecturer at the MIT Sloan School of Management, and noted in one of our most popular article of artificial intelligence this year. You who may need to practice more patents. The most successful companies are now in the midset of smaller transformation using AI tool, paving the way for that big transformation. It's difficult to articulate how hard it is for leaders to shape AI strategy in 2025. After all this work involved taking everything from risk management to AI ethic with some donating data management and culture challenges. Throw in at the same time AI and generative AI tool keep evolving. What generation AI tool cloud cannot do this spring, it will do by summer. At MIT SMR, we strive to publish fresh evidence based advice that leaders can apply at their own organization. Leaders keenly want audience on AI strategy. We see this in our article readership data. Okay, readership data, we gathered 10 of our most popular valuable AI article of a recent month of share time lesson on 10 pressing AI issues. Okay, number one issue, rape generation AI value start with small transformation. Less than 2 years ago, generative AI made headline with its amazing new capability. It could engage in conversation, interrupt massive amount of text, audio, or imagery, and even create new document and artwork after the fastest technology adoption in history. With over 100 million users in the first 2 months, business in every industry being experimenting with it yet deceptive decept 2 years of board managerial attention and extensive experimentation. We are not seeing the large scale generation AI powered business transformation that many people are entirely envisioning. Okay, and number two, make smart AI tech a depth trade offer. To understand how today business leaders are reinventing their organization, including the role tech debt play essential studied 1,500 global companies in 10 countries covering 90 industries and conducted a source of in-depth decisions with C-level leaders. The research found the companies that are well positioned for change have a reputation ready a digital core, a set of key a component such as code instruction data and AI that can be easily updated. They also typically set aside around 15% their IT budget for tech debt remediation. Okay, and number third is understructure unstructured data matters again, and the great majority of the data that generation AI work with is relatively undercorrected untracked in form such as text, image, video, and the like. A leader at one large insurance organization recently shared that 97% of the company data was unstructured. Many companies interested in using generation AI to help manage and provide access to their own data and document typically using an approach called retrieval engagement generation or RAG, but some companies have not worked on their unstructured data much since the day of knowledge management 20 or more ago. Okay. Number four, AI success require building a data driven culture. Thanks to the Daphne buzz around data science and AI, enterprise leader no longer doubt the transformative potential of this powerful do yet striking statistic reveals a bigger leadership challenge. More than and 57% of companies strategy struggle to build a data driven and culture according to Western such. This indicate that in many cases leaders believe in the power of data and are investing in AI, but their organization still are not getting the real benefit. Okay, number five, philosophy could eat your AI strategy. And number six, generation AI can through charge how organization learn. Number seven, generation versus analytic AI pick your project visually. And number eight, bring your own AI cannot be bombed. Okay, number 9, pay more attention to generation AI app evolution. And number 10, and finally, wait if question call for a new machine learning tool, casual ML and merging area of a machine learning can help to answer what if question through casual inference, similar to how marketers use A over B test to infer which of two ad is likely to generate more sale. Casual ML can inform what might happen if a manager were to take a particular action. Thanks for watching my video and press on the bell icon for every new and subscribe to my YouTube channel TechTreat, and see you next time and on new video. Goodbye.